Soldi agreed. Tiger, hi. Hi, Soldi. Message me now, Soldi. Venom, click this gift now. Come on. Avail is... Guys, just message me here, ha, if you want to avail. Nightlife, hi. Mr. Joker, hi. Zoldi, you have napa siya diha? Hi, Kurt. Nightlife, hello. Big fan. Guys, send me this gift, guys. Hi, G. Ano ba? More G. I want big gift like 1K gift. I give you a lot surprise. Zoldi, message me in TG. Zoldi, this is TG, okay? Message me there now. Do you have private room? I have private room. Message me just, hello love, good afternoon. Good afternoon, G. Do you want call? Do you like call? Zoldi, did you message me already? Message me now. Ma sound. Ma sound. I can't reply here. I can't reply here in Bigo. Single ka pa? Anong nangyari? Single ako. Single naman ako ah. I can't reply here because I'm restricted. Rolex, hi. Just short trip. Percy, check what's up. Sana kakalagot ninyo sigsampol. Uy, bukon tamang tanan. Sigsampol. Guys, just message me now. Hi, Wanto. Percy, check your message in WhatsApp. Hi, bro. Elmer. That's nice.